Remekap ta chu khamata pauping. PMJSY Paisa Chichin Kongwi Leda Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na Joint Inspection Ngothaira. National Sports Award 2022 President Murmu na Mishokhaira. Laikhyang Athor Ache Tatangkul Express Wipau Thang Miring Chodang in a Pamidale, Paubing Mesaina Nganang Rumsa. PMJSY with Shongfuk Assembly Scam Gahaga Lay the Layada Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Nathanda Shongfuk Assembly Joint Inspection Varajihira. Churachanpur District Lay Samdakle Galkap Kot to Gamhui Road Kala Noni to Nungnang Aina. Dubul to Jaroi Jakodlong Shongfukasem Vayankawai Concerned Authority Bingli MPCC na Ngothaira. Congress Pawanli MPCC Senior Spokesperson Ningompam Pubenda Maite Naghang MPCC na Manipur with Richum Nobing Matailak Aina Hill District Li Vashungkawai Sarashumda Visit Kasa Atamli BMJSY with Paisa Shijin Kongwi Taikwi Kaina. Kangde Tribe Council we Aina complaint Sampangda MPCC na Kal Kapkot to Kamhui Shongfuk Semchi, Datraha Tarik Tumrada Akatham Vayangda Chili, BMJSY scam Taikuhera. Achak Jang Tarik Mukuda Kanilila, MPCC team na Nune do Nungang Aina Tupul to Jaroi Jakot Long with BMJSY Shongfuk Sem Vayang Sangmida, Chilila scam Shoktakle Tehairajia. MPCC Senior Spokesperson Chinagahang Kalkapkot to Kamhui Shongfu MPCC na Taigukui Maramli Pau Shokta Chuivang Achahon Tarik Magadakanitang Chief Engineer Pandising Taimei Aina Joint Secretary Li Chiti Kapivada Inquiry Kala Inspection Vakavai La Chui Report Achawi Tarik Shini we Alumni Misangkavai Hanga. Ka local media wa Atishura Chief Engineer Pandising Taimei Additional Chief Engineer Rajan La Contractors Association with Minganing Akana Makamushung Pau Mihawajia. Atum Naghang Nune do Nungnang Shongfu Sem Kupaira Galachi packages Kani we Azingli Kupsangajia. Shongfuji Sem Kupkahai Jili package Qatar MN07241 the Luba 792.15 lakhs miluya. Chi 17.5 km Wivang 2018 P Tarik Matili Kamina Kala total we Aina 409.16 lakhs Shijinajia. Tuighai Manipur Legislative Assembly Li Package Qatar Maram Mahang Jitaimana. MPCC President PMJSY Detailed Report Polala Package Qatar Maramji Mahang Suajia. Tupul du Charoi Chakot Long Shongfu Kasem Wilila Project Mukupsangla Packages Qatar Khani Lesayada Irregularities Kalejili MPCC na Condemn Kasa Pongshokhaira. Kajangkat Chokta Kale MPCC na Taikui Gahaiji Verify Sakavai Joint Inspections at Kachina the Congress Katana Jinahanga. Concerned Minister, Chief Secretary, Additional Chief Secretary, Officials, Engineers, Contractor, Hill Leaders, Civil Society, Stakeholder, Saikura, Media Kala Yarina, Joint Inspection Jili Zangsada MPCC na Ngothaira. Manipur Hill District Li BMJSY Scam Shokta Kale, Pong Mikwai Inspection, Waki Kichiji Achawi Tarik Tharawe Alungli Kupsangrada Leidale. National Sports Award 2022 Aina National Adventure Award 2021 Aya President Draupadi Murmu na Rashtrapati Bhavanli Mishokhaira. Table tennis player Sharat Kamal Achandana 2022 we Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award Sampanghaira. Ajukum we Arjuna Award for Outstanding Performance in Sports and Games je Ngreong Hanli Kzatmi Magada Pangali Mia. Arjuna Award Samkapangje Athletes Sema Punya Aina at Tolspol, Shuttlers Lakshya Sen Aina HS Branoy, Shana Boxer Nikhat Zarin, Hockey Kangrewa Deep Chris Eka, Weightlifter Vikach Thakur, Wrestler Anshu Aina Sarita Kala, Bara Badminton Kangrewa now Darun Dilon Atumna Sampanga, Gorgeous Pangali Dronacharya Award Regular Category Limira, Kala Gorgeous Katumli Lifetime Category Award Mia. Dhyanchand Award for Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Games Sportsperson Mati Ashwini Akunji C Dharamveer Singh BC Suraj Kala Nir Bahadur Gurung Atumna Sambanga Transstadia Enterprise Private Limited, Galinga Institute of Industrial Technology, Kala Ladakh Ski and Snowboard Association Li Rashtriya Khel Brotsahan Baruskar Mikhwai recommend saya. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy 2022 chi Amritsar wi Guru Nanak Dev University Limia. National Sports Award hi kum gajida ngreong hanli phaikar mathalak aina khuida khaleping ni sorkarna muchut khami kodom khami chitheda khamina. Manipur Sangai Festival 11th edition aya kupsang haira. Tarathang Muyonrada Nitrejina Manipur with tourism abong shongfu khalei taraka chithe haira. Nitrejile mi lak matigada wazanga kala foreign tourist chapanga gada ungzangaja. Sangai Festival chi apam Tarada matili rungmia kala phanit chiwi khamataya ngatapung Moirang Kuno Bishnupur district le khalei Sangai Ethnic Park le mi lak tarakada wazanga da hanga. Yarina Charachampu district wi Bihang Senapati district Mau kala marching Imphal East district lila Wangaroka. Imphal West wi Hapta Kanje Pungla Sangai Festival wi Kamataya Ngatapung Sada mi Ting Wangaroka. Sangai Nitre Kukasang Ranye Bhaigya Chandra Open Air Theatre li Kwikada Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Bema Gandu aina Union Minister Kiren Rijijula ungsanga. PIB Atishura Prime Minister Narendra Modi nila ngzin kutsip chili video conferencing aina Janpur miunga. Manipur Chief Minister N. Piren Singh, Rajya Sabha MP Laisimba Sanachoba, Union MOS Dr. R.K. Ranjan kala Cabinet Ministers, MLAs le Shorkar Akoka Pingla Kukasang Zip Chili Wazanga. Sangai Tourism Festival ing Shikta Tarada Kamate Manipur Polo International Ngahanla Ayakup Sanghaira. United Kingdom aina United States of America we Kangreo Naula Ungzangda Polo teams Pangana Ngrewa. Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan Sangai Festival 2022 we Shalam Hangjipunda State Racing Haksang Ranuda Hangsanga. Bharat Vikas Parishad Imphal Mahila Shakha cyclist Jerry Chowdhury li Khayakshi Pongshokhaira. Rajasthan we Jerry Chowdhury na bicycle Thauda India we ena Singapore Washungda Chingri Ghaigala Legshi we Pau Mizatale. Anasadak Lechili Mia Hangai Gatom Chiteda BBP Imphal Mahila Sakana Marwari Dharmasala Imphali Reception Program Kwikamia. Western Naval Command we Chief Staff Officer Operation Ngapam Rear Admiral Kunal Singh Rajkumar na Kwihera. Reader Rear Admiral Chanak Beverly na Pungasana. Rear Admiral Rajkumar na Indian Navy 1991 Tharau Chang Zangpoka. Reader Tamil Nadu Wellington National Defence Academy li Tamsaya. Joint Service Command and Staff College UK College of Defence Management Secunderapat Telangana National Defence College New Delhi lila Tamsaya. Navigation and Direction Specialist Rear Admiral Kunal Singh Rajkumar na IN Ship Kukri Jyoti Delhi gala Mysore Navigating Officer la Sahira. Western Fleet we Fleet Navigating Officer la Sasaya. 2021 Pahili Flag Rank Sampangda Defence Intelligence Agency we Azingni Assistant Chief Integrated Defence Staff INTP Sada Lesaya. Popular Front of India li ban sada chui case aina tukhui hai ka sam mi chi shatli Delhi Garot na bail mi haira tukhui ghai ping chui Khayon police na chongjan machi theater to the bail mi gaina atum janga da kapen ochot kshok atamni atum Dihar jail pongkasana da life law pau sampanga P Tariq Makada chi shatang Center Shokarna Islamic Organization Popular Front of India Kala Chile Kang Shik Ping Ni Zangda Singkum Pangawivang Ben Sagahaina. Ben Gasaje Unlawful Activities Prevention Act we Azingni Terror Activities Kasapenda Kasana. Ochochui FIR Sahin Park Police Station Delhi Tasangda Chile Aming Zang Michi Shadli Tukakwina. Atumna Popular Front of India Li Gadom Layada FIR we Atishuda Police na Tukakwiji. Muhammad Shoaib Abdul Rab Habib Akhtar Jemali Gala Mohammad Waris Khan Atum Zanga. Mibing Chuili Ban Organization we Pilan Taruk Le Sayada Hanga. Timi Shokani Tang with Hili Police na Abdullah Shai Gulfam Hussein Mohammad Shoaib Kala Mohsin Wakal Ashimatili Tukwiluya. Atumna Popular Front of India Liga Gadom Tivao Ngavaula Pilan Aina pamphlets la Singsaya Gji Hanga. Ka Garot hearing the additional session judge Sanjay Ganagwal Naghang Police Record Atishuda Popular Front of India le Ben Gasa Atam Liva Mibingchi Preventive Custody le Haira Gasana the Indian Express na Pau Shoga Mibingchile P Tarik Mugadashini thang custody li hailaga Tatra Hali Chihonawa Chitata Sada Atumna Police Custody li Leilaga Katada Kungi Oche Sajat Kalagaji Investigating Officer na Mahang Rertua da Judge China Hanga Phuket Thailand li ngahan gida khalai Junior Miss World Model Physically Solimla Chajo Wazangida leidale Kala Chuiwang Bodybuilder Association of Yukru District Nad Fund Drive Samida Lupa Lak Aka Shamati Hangmati da Phanga Ungzang Haira Marami Aya Yukru District Bodybuilder Association with Press Conference li Paichiteya Kazipche Yukru Center School Campus Lipam da Funje Tangkul Nagalong Pungvu Abraham Rungsungna Panuran Samia Itumu Yurlila Ogtuina Tega Kui Sambangda Kalehui Wang Solim Lali Train Sakami Robert Maiteli Ningishikala Niyangkum Pongshoka Tiamakap Kaje Apamui Enala Ogtui Ngahani Wazangishabui Ringapa Pongshokta Muida Mushai Mazakvai Bodybuilding Li Zangda Kalebing Ni Katong Haira BBAUD we President Tot Miyol Luituina Turkami Lighang Phuket we Ngahanjili Solim Lakala Solan Jajo Ani Vakida Legsana Ka Lan Ligsak Kuchot Kale Wivang Solanchi Shimkuna Kalan Gaina Chui Maram Kup Maida Take Ngai Kalebina Manipur Bodybuilder Association Maningaka Yukru Bodybuilder Association ni Hapta Akawe Alungli Ngating Mirano da BBAUT we President Hanga Avaram Tangko Matumsada Ngahandi Zangi Gaji Hi Mai Kaya Sambang Lakra Gaji Ningrin Lake Vai Kasatsangda Kalata we interest Aino Ot Masala Yari Gatainala Tam Kui Vai Ngasang Saki Gajina da Robert na Kazum Sanga Otkasa Kachivali, Yuigishi, Lurka Kadomla Leser Salala, Tangul Abam Hili Kahaga Platform Jigakami Wivang Ningshia the Robert Maitena Hanga, Kalasada Kalechi and Tangul Nauli, my machine Saklak Marajahira. World Championship Ngahan Jili Wazangkwai, Solimla Jajo Wivang, BBAUT na Fun Drive Kasaji, Car Sticker Kyor, Facebook Kala Street Fun Drive and Sakamina. Infali Rungida Kalay, Mr. and Miss Manipur Hang through Kaka edition ni Yukru District Royal Gymnasium we aina bodybuilder makuna shuru kwira da leidale. Jili shinau kutum mayarnau trada shini zangra jia kala ngahan jili zangi gaji district nuchaile Yukru District we aina player chungmai kaba da hanga. Ngahan ji achu we tare kutum aina mati thang rungmigi gaji na. Thailand Phuket li rungmigi gaji international physique model ngahan li wazangi gaji solimla chajona hitada hanga.
Hello everyone. You are Solimla Jajo Hoye, Egusom Clan Wayne, Yari World Championship with Malina Hotnale World Championship date 6 to 12 ne Thailand we forget this are color chewing run ye gasale how po way na group and the e bang jonan ni da creeping color support time da creeping ni schneider hangai donors being iwi gym Otsang room da being color ishi Jimwe Association being color Sir Robert Iwe advisor and atunam talagay nadi yang sang kaniwang aji ini tada hiwi peka hile bashapi nadi hi hangai color jili ba zangi jili laka tada Mike ya kung fai katong na siya sa miro jili hangai nishnaka
Yukru District with Zendokai Karate Association na Kalem Aino Winter Martial Arts Coaching Rumiki Dale Martial Arts Coaching Ji Achu with Tarek Trada Aka Aina Hapokta Magada Akaina Tangda Rumira Ning Sang Naubing na phone number 8732040596 Maningaka 8416000595 Li Nating Mapaira Free Martial Arts Coaching Chiwivang Form Mikasang Achu with Tarek Tratangna Kanawa Simikshong Sara Itum na Thaibai Yukru District with Zendokai Karate Association hi YAS Register Saghai Manipur Zendokai Karate Association li affiliate kasa association na association china achahon thang phungwa kapang sangda than ngasung jingkhai na president Rinjan Dam Kashung na vice president RK Ayatso na secretary Dinyar HS na joint secretary Drofi Kashak na treasurer kala than rengam kasa aina nimreso kodang na executive member sada leaderle Nagayu Rivang Sehagsa Yari Gzip Violent Baptist Church Pungre Tangle Rumi Gidale Dale Gzip Che Kayon Tarek Shini we ana hapok laga tra aina tangra chia Itum pro holi maing re unglu shitsa gachi tugui azingni directioni thang welcome service li VBC phungre tang Pastor Reverend Mayon Singh Ngalungna mutimira. Somda Baptist Church Pastor Reverend Aping Kamrangna Kamutsugui Otsin Singmira. Naga Yurivang Sehag Sak Zipchi Tarek Chishat Aina Chikothang Motor Mushun Session Kutum Rip Kala Ngaya Kokrum Ngran Ye Ledale. Naga Yurivang Sehag Sak Zipchili Somda Baptist Church Pastor Reverend Aping Kamrang Nungpe Baptist Church Pastor Reverend K. Vario Sihai Kolan Baptist Church Pastor Reverend Victor Kamkru Kala WTR Chaplain Ngathingmi Simik Atumna Mutimi Sada Zangdale Kala Rupai Ungnau Chairman Somi Kushong Mo DBCA Executive Secretary Reverend Dr. Matotmi Vasha DNBC Finance Secretary Ramthar Kosomoshi UBC Ukru with Pastor Reverend Remember Rimai STNPA Youth Secretary Reverend Resangmi Singlai Retired Steering Executive Member Major General RVS Shangam KMS Tanchok DBCA Mission Secretary Reverend Theophilus Simik GBRN WVW Kilonser Shimringam A. Shishak Tangkul Naga Ungnau Long President S.A. Ramganing Chingai Baptist Church Pastor Reverend Dr. M. Ninghor NTNPA Executive Secretary Reverend H.A. Tamringam Retired Steering Executive Member Major General R.S. Chinauyo Somda Headman RVS Pungnang VBC Pungretang Assistant Pastor Reverend R.S. Robert Atumla Satsang Mibingli Sada Ngaran Nge Chili Zangdale Bulan Baptist Church Pungretang Le Rungmigida Kale Naga Yurwivang Sehagsa Yari Gazip Chiwi Kapigabam Kajichashi Church Kala Krupna Ngaranra Quersit VBC Pungretang na Kuimira Fasting ni Rag Zang Saikora Wivang Ngazin Pazat Ngaran Mira Directioni we ena Chiko aina tangda Ngazin Pazat Pungmatili Pungmatilira Kala Prayer Cell Kala Group Pingna Kachicha Church we Yaug Homa we Sok Mi Kuilaga Razang Miserana da Makok Mina Kachite Mishoka Yarili Kachite Sali Ishi the Tangkul Express na Yari Gazibwe live coverage service midale Shagazarano long now year now church ranye La Zingum Angsud Ungshung Kamayon Renu Gazib Ayur Ngate we live coverage Samia Live streaming la maningaka photography amunam kami service la midale kan kana atishura the Tangkul Express li contact sami paira la luida achu ikamata pauping PMJSY paisa chichin khongwi le da Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na joint inspection ngothaira National Sports Award 2022 President Murmuna Mishokhaira Achu Pau Hiling Changhaira Pau Ngana da Klein Tum Sai Korali Ringapagala Kamahaya Zim Show Ngasaserano